Hey guys, so today I'm in the kitchen trying to make some lunch, and I was thinking, I have some leftover rotisserie chicken that I purchased 2 days ago, and I got to find a way to try to get it all used up. I know I can take it and freeze it. However, I am going to make me a nice little open face, let me see, I know what I'm going to call it because I don't have a name for it. I'm going to make me a nice open face mushroom Swiss rotisserie chicken sandwich. Okay, that's a long name. However, that's what I'm going to call it because it's my sandwich and I am making this up as we go. So what am I going to put on this sandwich? Orange pepper, red onion, some mushroom. I have that leftover rotisserie chicken, and I tend to eat the dark meat first, so the leg and the thigh is already gone, and the breast part is left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut me some of that off, and I'm going to make that sandwich. Oh, let me get the cheese. Hold on. I have some Swiss cheese here, and some sourdough bread, and I'm only going to use one slice of this. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm going to cut these vegetables up first. I'm only going to make an open sandwich, just one, so I don't need a lot of vegetable. So you can cut them however you like. If anybody ever wondered why they call this a red onion, because it absolutely looked purple to me. I love the flavor of the red onion, so I am going to put some of that on there. The only thing I do not have that I would have put on this sandwich is some minced garlic. Okay, up next is our mushroom, and we're going to use 2 of mushroom. Now tell me, what type of mushroom do you all buy? Do you buy them already sliced, or do you buy them whole like this? Now me, if I don't use them right away, I usually buy them whole. And to prepare your mushroom, you have to clean them off. You don't want to run water on them, because mushrooms are just like a sponge. They're going to suck all that moisture up, and you're going to have a soggy mushroom. That's not what I'm looking for. So you have any dirt, debris on that mushroom, just take your paper towel and just wipe it off. And we're just going to take them and cut them in slices. Did I say the reason why I buy these? Oh, okay, let's get back to that part. I buy these because I feel like they last a little while longer than the sliced ones. So if I buy the sliced mushrooms, I'm going to use them within a couple of days because they tend to start going bad pretty quickly. All right, so we have everything already chopped up. That was pretty quick, huh? Next up, we're going to go ahead and get us a little bit of that chicken. Just don't want my hands to get dirty. So we have our gloves on. Our rotisserie chicken. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, I love cucumber as a side dish when I have a sandwich. You know, it can be a pickle or either just a regular cucumber like this. So, I'm gonna take me a piece of this cucumber. This is the English cucumber. Okay, now we're ready to put that sandwich together, and we're gonna have some lunch. I have my griddle getting hot. I'm using my electric griddle today to make my sandwich. I'll take a little butter here, add to my griddle. Add a little garlic powder to that, as well as a little bit of complete seasoning. Whoops. So you add the spices that you desire. Just gonna let them hang out and do their thing. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and toss it all together. It's a great way to use up that rotisserie chicken. So what I'm going to do now is we're just going to bunch all that up together right there and let it stay warm. We're going to take our Swiss cheese and we're going to lay a couple of slices up there, just like so. Get a lid and put on there. Let it sweat down. All right, we're going to work on our bread. So now I'll clean one side of my grill, and I'm going to put a little butter down here on it. And I'm only making one slice of sourdough bread. And that's a pretty big piece of bread. I only need one. Okay, what up? Let's see. We're going to use our melted butter. It's going to make it quicker. We're going to get it good and toasted. And when I see you next time, we're going to be plating up this sandwich. Okay, we're back. And my toast is ready. Y'all take a look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Wow. So, I toasted my bread. Now you can choose to toast your bread or you can choose to have your bread just as is. But I love a good toasted piece of bread. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a plate. That looks so good. And we're only gonna do one slice of bread. And we're just gonna put it right on top of that sandwich. Now I'm trying to we're just gonna have one big sandwich. How about that? Let's taste a little piece of that right there. Those onions and peppers really does enhance that flavor of that chicken. That's good. Okay, let's finish it up. So all we need now, we're bringing in our cucumbers. You can add whatever you like to your cucumbers, but I like mine just plain, along with a little ranch. I'm a heavy dipper when it comes to cucumbers, so yes. And you tell me that it's not a tasty lunch. One might ask, how do you eat such a sandwich? The best way you can. All right. And I'm going to show you how. So we're going to go ahead and get into our sandwich. And the way I would eat mine, I would use a knife and a fork to cut it in bite-sized pieces. Check that out. Packed full of flavor. I kid you not. Add some fruit juice. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video on how I make this simple remix on leftover rotisserie chicken. It tastes absolutely amazing. And I'm not just saying that because the chicken is good by itself. However, once you add some herbs and spices to that chicken, you know, fresh herbs and spices, it just brings it up another notch. And then on a piece of toasted sourdough bread, it is simply amazing. So please like, share, and leave me some comments down below. And until next time, enjoy lunch. Bye.